From Gujarat. In 2008, we took the Gujarat government to court on this very law. And today, till today, the Gujarat government has not replied to the constitutional validity of this anti-conversion law. There are three things that I need to say today. First of all, we are citizens of India. I know that I'm being recorded by the intelligence, and let it be so. Because we are speaking about the Constitution of India and nothing more, nothing less. We are citizens of India and the Constitution of India is ours. And that you have to be very clear, every single citizen of ours. The second point I would like to make is not whether I have a right to convert you, but whether I have a right to accept and to believe in the religion of my choice. And I definitely have a right. Article which you have seen there in one of the banners, both Article 25 that gives me the right to preach, practice and propagate my religion, and Article 19 which gives me freedom of speech and expression, very clearly says that as a citizen of the country, I have the right and the liberty to not only profess, practice and propagate my religion, but also choose the religion of my choice. If I don't want to believe in any God, I have a right not to believe in any God, and no state, no Karnataka government or no Gujarat government or no BJP government anywhere in the country can decide what is the matter of my constitution and my civil liberties as a right of a citizen of India. And the third is, this is not about Christians. This is not about Muslims. In the last few days, we have seen the hate speech in Haridwar against our Muslim sisters and brothers. We have seen all the negative and derogative things called love jihad and whatnot. And we have seen many things happening to them. And for the last few days, including today, we have Christians being targeted in every single part of India. That so few of us have come out here is a shame on the citizens of Mangalore. Shame, great shame. Where is civil society? Because this is about the Constitution of India. This is about the future of India. This is about our children, about your children, about the generation next that is to come. People are in their comfort zone. People are frightened. People are scared. Once we give in to fear and to the Christians, I would like to remind you of the verse